Alright, so on this one I had replaced the gas valve. So now it's giving them problems again, but it's not the gas valve. Come over here to the LED light. I don't know if you can tell, but it's blinking. It's got one blink. So you come to check over here. One blink, ignition failure, or rollout, open rollout switch, or open auxiliary limit switch. So the rollout switch is good. It starts up fine. So I came by yesterday, and the auxiliary limit switch is fine. I mean, it's not the resettable kind. That's it right here. But like I said, I came by yesterday and bypassed it. I bypassed the switch to see if that was tripping, and it still did it. I only did this temporarily to see if it was faulty. So the next thing it can be is the board. So I went out and got a new board. Just to double check, we're going to check the high limit switch. Checks good. And we're going to check the rollout switch. I'm going to check continuity on the auxiliary limit switch. So it looks good. I got the new board on. The old board. Still checking. Thermostat's calling for heat. Show off my new meter. It's an Ampro. I like that it's kind of small, fits in my troubleshooting bag. Capacitors, temperature split. I guess that's for checking flame sensors, but I don't use it all that much. All checks good.